Good morning, y'all. It is 7:14 in the morning right now, and I have a hair appointment today. I believe I still have my nail appointment, and I have to do all of this in preparation for my 23rd birthday photo shoot. I planned on doing stuff this year, but as time went by, just kind of thought it'd be better to just chill out for a little bit and do something a little small, like a photo shoot. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna take y'all with me as I go and get my hair done. I'm doing my makeup, as always, and then I'll take y'all with me to my friend's house where he's gonna be taking my pictures for me. I'm actually really proud of myself because it's 15 days until my birthday, and usually in the past, whenever I've done like birthday shoots or anything like that, I've always waited until like the week before, and it's always been something that goes wrong. So I'm proud of myself for not procrastinating this year. Like that means we're getting older and we're getting wiser. And y'all are probably like, I had never seen this girl with this much hair on her head. Trust me, I know. I'm actually, indecisive about cutting it in 2023. Like when I say cutting it, I mean like cutting it, like pixie cut or almost bald, and just starting over so my hair can like grow long and healthy like it used to be before my mom permed my hair when I was younger. Just kidding. Make sure you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. I'm going to be including Ty's Instagram information, the girl who's doing my hair, as well as my friend Roland's, as he's the one that's doing my photo shoot. And I just really hope y'all like this video because I don't think I've really done like a come with me to something. I've done a get ready with me, but not like a come with me to do this. So I'm excited to see how this turns out. I'm excited for y'all to see the concept, because the concept is not no regular photo shoot. Like, it's a whole concept behind it. And let me drive there safely because the Dallas traffic right now in the morning is kind of heavy. So I'll catch y'all at the hair appointment. Being able to know how to do your own hair is a necessity in this economy, but getting your hair done is a great feeling. Just knowing that someone else is taking the stress off of your hands while you just sit and relax, it's unmatched. If y'all are in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, check out my girl Ty. This is my second time booking with her, and the way she goes above and beyond is unexplainable. This was her first time doing a wig install in a particular way to match my vision for the photo shoot, but she didn't mind the challenge, which I loved because I couldn't do it. I knew she could, but anyways, every time I've gone to her, she shows me a new trick that I take home and attempt at doing myself. So, you know, it's a win-win situation. pretty much I was trusting the process through and throughout. Like, the lace was melted, the curls were curling. You guys have no choice but to book with her if you need your wig installed. She does braids, she does twists, she does it all. So go ahead and check her out. Her Instagram is in the description box below. This is what the hair looks like. I'm at a loss for words. This is my first time doing anything like this with the wig, at least. With the concept, I just felt like me doing like a regular wig install just wasn't gonna pull it together. So if anything, I probably should have just gotten this in like 28 inches instead of 24, because once again, when you do curl the hair, it makes the hair shorter. But I think later on I'm gonna try to like lightly comb it out a little bit and see if it makes it fall a little bit more. But no, Ty did her thing. I'm gonna leave her Instagram and her website for booking in the description below. I'm gonna grab something quick to eat because I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day today. It's 12 o'clock right now. I need to be back in Addison at 4 for the shoot. So once I go get some food, I'm probably just gonna get Chick-fil-A. I'll go home and start doing my makeup. So that's what's happening right now. So this is the final makeup look. This is what it looks like. A natural beat with some nude lip gloss. You can never go wrong with nude. You can never go wrong with nude. I had to do it off camera because I didn't have enough time. I thought I had enough time, but there was a lot going on in my household when I came home from getting my hair done. So I just thought that it'd be better for me to just hurry up and focus and do this and whatnot. The makeup tutorial is coming, I promise. I promise it's coming. But I need to pack all my stuff. I need to do one final try on of the outfit with everything just to make sure I don't need to add or change anything. And then pack my bags and start heading over there because there is traffic and it's 2:30. I need to be there at like 4, maybe even a little bit earlier, just to like set up and everything. But yeah, I really hope y'all like the vlog so far. I mean, y'all saw me get my hair done. Y'all didn't see me do my makeup. But y'all see how good it looks. Like, you can't sit here and tell me it don't look good. Let me stop wasting time and playing games. Let me go ahead and try everything on, pack my stuff, and get out of the house.
Yeah, that's good. You're starting to see you.
It might. As you can see, I told you guys, the hair, the jewelry, the dress, it all came together. One thing about me and Roland's relationship is very much big brother, little sister. He's taken my pictures since 2018, and I always have some sort of idea for him to bring to life that he's never done, but he pulls everything together in the end. If y'all do see me laughing or being goofy throughout this video, ignore me. As a woman who loves taking pictures, I still get shy behind the camera. Like, does that happen to y'all, or is it just me? Maybe I'm the problem. In between shots, he kept giving me all types of reactions, like the reactions that you give whenever you see fire pictures being taken. I was so excited to see the final product. Like, look at how these pictures turned out. One thing about Rollins, he will make you feel comfortable throughout the entire photo shoot. You guys need to check him out if you are in the Dallas area and you need pictures to be taken. Like, you guys see the quality, you see the vision. Go ahead and click his link down below to his Instagram in the description box. I'm finally home. Today was a lot, but it was really fun. I enjoyed every moment of it up until the hiccups that I had, but we're not going to talk about it. We're not going to dwell on it too much. I inserted pictures of what the photo shoot turned out to be. Shout out to Rollins. I'll put his Instagram handle down here below and also put a link to like his profile where y'all can make bookings with him if you'd ever want to use him in the future. Don't forget, I also included Ty's Instagram handle and her booking link down below as well. But pretty much this concludes the 23rd birthday photo shoot preparation / production, whatever you want to call it, whatever you guys want to call it. I really hope y'all liked it. Go ahead and show me some love on the gram too. I know y'all saw the pictures, you saw the process, you saw me from the morning when I still had my afro until the moment I was a fine girl. So you can't just watch this video and not go on my IG and show me some love. But with that being said, Happy New Year to all of you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support. This year, this channel's gonna be hot. Trust me, it's gonna be hot. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.